Hello everyone. So in this video we will have a look on a demo of the last few videos. That means what we have learned in the last 2-3 videos, we will have a look demo on this example, right? So if you come to this video for the first time, just go watch the last 2 videos or 3 videos at least and come back here, otherwise you don't know what I am doing. Okay, so we are trying to test this code. So right, test this for loop. So as I am talking, as I am assuming that you have watched the last video, right? So let's test this out. So before I uploading it to a Tindercat a simulation environment, I will just verify it. So let's see whether it is getting compiled or not. So according to our code, anyway, it is I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. So you know now, I have shown you in the last video, I have shown you sorry guys, the working flow or working flow chart or working diagram of this for loop, right? So you can draw this structure on that and analyze how many times this is supposed to be printed. That is the same thing I explained in the last video. The high should be printed for 10 times. So just we are going to have a look on that, whether it is working or not. And we are having it in the void setup, and I have explained why. So compiling is done. So what I will do is I will copy the code and I will go to Tinkercat, so where I have simulation environment. Okay, and okay, let's have it a little bit. Okay, and I am going to paste my code here. So I'll paste my code, and I have the serial monitor here. I will make it a little up. Okay, and I will start the simulation and see whether the value is printed in the serial monitor. Okay, so when you are trying to do with the real Arduino, you don't have to do all these things. You just have to upload the code to your Arduino and you have to open the serial monitor. Okay, where is that? That is here, right? And then make sure the speed in the serial monitor baud rate is 9600. Okay, then you will get the data. Okay, you get it? Okay, so now I will simulate it and see. For the sake of this video, we will see whether it works or not. Okay, so I have given the start simulation, and you see in the serial monitor high has been printed a number of times. So let's verify whether it is 10 number of times or not. Okay, let's count it out. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, I'm sorry guys, 8 9 and 10. Okay, 10 times. So that means the for loop works. So if I want to make it work for 15 times, I will change the 10 value as 15. Okay, so let's see. First I will stop the simulation, and I will change the value 10 as, just cleared that guys, just don't worry. I'll change the value 10 as, it's not stopped it. Okay, now I will change the value 10 as 15 now. Okay, let's see whether it works. 15. So now you can put this 15 value in the flowchart diagram or working flow diagram that I have explained, and verify how many times the high has been printed. So logically talking, it should be printed 15 times. So let's check it out. So the high is printed in the serial monitor a number of times. So let's count it out and see how many times. Okay, so let's see, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now we are in 5, right? 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 10 15. Okay, so it works, right? So it is we are able to print the high for 15 times now. So any number of times we can print these values, right? So I mean, we are repeating this scenario or repeating an action for a particular number of times we want it to be repeated. So even if you want 100 times, we can make it happen. We can print the high value 100 times, but we write only one line of code within a loop. Okay, so that's the beauty of these loops, guys. So we will meet in the next video, guys, for study further things in the for loop. Until then, stay safe, guys.